Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Stories using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, navigate to instagram.com in the address bar. You'll need to log into your Instagram account if you haven't already to access all the stories available on the platform. After you're logged in, you'll see various stories at the top of your feed from accounts you follow. Browse through and locate the specific story you want to download, then click on it to open it in full screen view. This is important because you need the story to be active and playing in order to grab its URL. Now, with the story open and visible on your screen, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice the URL has changed to reflect the specific story you're viewing. Go ahead and click on this URL to highlight it, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or simply pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, open a new tab in your Chrome browser. In the address bar of this new tab, type snapinsta.to and press Enter. This is a third-party tool specifically designed to help you download Instagram content, including stories, reels, and posts. The site provides a simple and straightforward interface for this purpose. Once the SnapInsta website loads, you'll immediately see a download field prominently displayed on the page. This is where you'll paste the Instagram story URL you copied earlier. Click inside this field, then paste your URL by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or pressing Ctrl+V. After you've pasted the link, look for the download button next to the field and click it to start the process. Now, you'll need to wait a few moments while the tool processes your request. SnapInsta will analyze the URL, fetch the story content from Instagram's servers, and prepare it for download. This usually takes just a few seconds, but the time can vary depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the story file. Once the processing is complete, you'll see a new button appear that says Download Video. Click on this button, and your browser will immediately begin downloading the Instagram story to your computer. The file will be saved to your default downloads folder, and you'll be able to access it anytime you want, even when you're offline. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an Instagram story using Google Chrome and SnapInsta. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.